think now's a gooder time than any to say hello, good morning, what's happening, what's going on. Not good morning, what are you doing? Not good morning, good afternoon. It's like, what is it, 3 in the afternoon?
Sure.
I've spent pretty much the whole day editing the new Visual Vibes, which is now done. Yo, this sounds hot. Let's go back to the Oshin. Yeah, since it's rendering, Charlie and I have gone for a little walk down the beach.
With some grapes.
With grapes.
And some water. All the beach essentials that one could possibly need. And good conversation.
Yeah, we're having nice chats. The plan for the rest of the day is to prize Adrian and SP away from their laptops for a moment, and we're gonna go, oh, there's a crab. Crabby, crabby, crabby. We're gonna go surfing later, which is gonna be really fun. Macaws. Wash the tootsies.
Working at the car wash.
At the
car wash.
Yeah. Hola. Shh, 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 shh. SP. SP. I think he's asleep. While those guys are having a nap over there, they're very sleepy because they've been working hard. I'm going to try and work out how to make these two controllers communicate, so someone can just steer the drone and the other person can steer the camera underneath, so I can just concentrate on making sure we don't fly into anything, and Adrian or whoever can like make sure the shot looks great. Okay, I was gonna do a little time lapse and get all Casey Neistat on you guys, but we have got rain coming down through the heavens, so you just have to check out the sunset like this. Oh, sorry about that. Yo. And it also means I can't fly my drone now.
Oh my god!
I know, I can't do my time lapse now. This is so annoying.
Really throw me! I'm not going to sit over there.
No, well you still can.
Oh, it's cold rain as well. Whoa, it's cold rain. First time we've had
Adrian, it's cold rain.
Cold rain, it's not hot rain.
What's cold rain doing here? This is a genuine, spontaneous moment.
That we're going to capture and make you.
Adrian's directing for his Super 8 film. Just be careful, it's slippery.
Yeah, don't slip.
Oh, there's SP. How did your mission work out? So good. Did you get a shot? Oh, there goes Charlie. I can't keep up. Behind the scenes of Adrian's Super 8. Did you just fall over? Oh, that could have been the vlog name. That sun though. Costa Rica is just absolutely perfect. Oh well, maybe tomorrow we'll get a Mr. Zoomy sunset situation. I've been watching some drone tutorials.
These are good for me.
Remember
Where is our life? Okay?
No, you don't need it.
Quite finished.
Oh.
Thank you Hudson P for sending me a link to these interesting and very informative drone footage tutorials. And now we eat. Go put shorts on.
What was I thinking? Oh, fuck up!
Anyone seen my phone?
Honestly, marriage, these two are a great example of...
Don't do it, kids. Oh my god, he's getting naked!
More tacos for us.
You always have the asset.
Oi, have you seen my phone?
They always argue.
Oh my god, are you filming? Oh god, I don't know what I've done with it.
Where did you have it last?
I don't know, if I do that then I'd know where it was.
Charlie, Instagram can wait an
I
hour.
got it. No, it cannot.
Shotgun.
Por favor, taco bar.
Taco bar.
Taco bar.
Taco bar.
Taco bar in Hakko.
Someone was saying in the comments that hermosa in Spanish you don't pronounce the H.
Hermosa.
So it's like hermosa. Both hands, please. Both hands? baby, just ain't seen nothing yet. Bam, bam. This is something I'm gonna forget. Guess where we're going? Taco. Definitely sitting on the swings tonight. How are you enjoying Costa Rica, SV?
You know, normally I'd make a joke and go like, but like, this place is unreal. It's
yeah.
Like, it doesn't even warrant a joke like that. This place is genuinely like,
the best.
I was trying to comprehend like the Pura Vida thing.
Yeah.
So, and I looked it up and everything, and like, it's like, it means pure life, but it's like to the Costa Rican people, or the Ticos, it means like so much more than that. And I realized like my interpretation of Pura Vida, and like how people live here, it's like everything is the best possible version of itself.
Yeah.
And like everything is just so great. It's like, you know, it's raining now and you walk in the rain and you're just like, I love this. Whereas like back home you're like, it's raining,
yeah.
it's raining. And like everything
It just puts you in that mood, doesn't it?
Yeah, exactly. Like, it's almost like you feel like nothing can go wrong. That's right.
Yeah, man. ¿Por qué?
For SP and for me. I don't know what Adrian's having.
Very funny, Claire.
Do it the Adrian way.
Adrian.
Yeah, Christina's here. What's happening? Pura Vida. And also we made new friends. How's it, guys? Welcome. We got a lot of rain coming down. Hectic rain. I'm just gonna try and capture some thunder and lightning. Give me the lightning. Oh, it just happened. Incoming. Whoa. I could feel that in my bum. I'm just over here swinging. I love kaigo, yeah. Especially in a coffee shop, like a really, whoa. You doing that? Yeah. Shit just got real. Real quick. I don't know what's going on. We're in the eye of the storm.
We're in the jungle.
Whoa. As you said that, there's lightning. Oh, yeah. Just watch that thing. Taco, 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 taco. Actually, it's just taco, taco. Oh my word. This lightning is epic. Bloody hell. You guys, it's time to leave. We have to brave the rain, go get the car. No. No. I've got the car keys though. Mind the what? Oh, that. Yep, driver's on the other side, yep. I knew that. I nearly fell over.
It smells like cheese in here.
Okay, wait till we got a bit of a run out.
El sol saliendo y amanezco al lado tuyo, bebé.
Whoa! Fun never stops in Costa Rica. Bring the beers, grab the cameras. We're gonna do long exposures of the lightning on the roof.
Long head exposure.
Long head exposures.
I love it when that long hair's exposed. Oh.
Whoa. She just went there. Who the hell put mango on the stove?
Yeah, I'll check you guys tomorrow. In the meantime, remember to work hard, be nice to people, and try not to get lost or killed. Okay, love you guys. Goodbye. You go learn something new every day. Can we please put the air conditioning on?
Of course.
Thank you, driver. 5.
We lost Adrian out the back.